Hey Sarah, Orlando with Soaring SEO. We spoke on the phone yesterday. I appreciate you taking the time to talk to me, and I appreciate you clicking on this video. In this video, I simply just want to show you guys three things that you guys are able to implement yourself to get you guys more customers through the door. And now, if you're probably asking yourself, why would I be sending you guys a video like this? The reason being is I've seen that majority of business owners simply don't have the time to come into the internet, do the research, and see how it truly impacts the growth of the business, especially with the changing times now. Everything's just taking such a drastic change into the digital marketing world that you guys aren't able to see the true benefits that it has and how you can make it work for you and your business. And I've seen that even when it's time to outsource this type of stuff, there's a hesitation there because you don't know who the experts are and who isn't. Everybody kind of claims to be the expert. And I've seen that by giving a video like this with informative um, stuff and giving you guys tips and tricks you guys are able to implement yourself has resulted in some of these companies coming back and saying, hey, you know what, Orlando, we would like to work with you. So, Sarah, if by the end of this video, you believe I have plenty of tricks up my sleeve that can really benefit your team, I would send me a message and we'll chat. Or if you simply just want to implement these stuff yourself, that is absolutely fine with me. All I ask for is a review on how I did on this video. So let's get right into it. The three things that I want to talk about is content, citation, and backlinks. Now, content is going to be the most important thing. Like they say, content is king, and that's going to be the most crucial thing for Google when they come in here to rank your website. What we've seen, the average page or website that's on that first page of Google search, the ones that have the most authority, they have about 1,500 to 2,000 words worth of content on there, and that's going to be including like pictures of videos, icons that you have displaying on your website. So if we actually come in here, and first off, I actually want to say I really like the entire layout of your website on a design standpoint. It's really nice. Giving you guys a bunch of pictures, friendliness. You can see all the employees that you guys have. And I really like the dog on there. That's really cool, and the with the on the van and everything like that. So the entire layout on the website is really nice. But Google doesn't care about what it looks like. It just wants to see the type of content that you guys have in there and the type of or keywords or key phrases that you guys have in there. Now, if we come in here and actually grab the content that you have and put it into this word count, you can see that you have 448 words worth of content on this page. Now, with you guys being an HVAC company, that's going to be very easy to be able to come in here and write in the content that you need in order to get you guys up to 1,500 words or even closer to 2,000 mark, just so you can really blow your competition out of the water. But just explaining the services that you guys do provide, the different things that you guys do. Maybe you guys have a cost for your maintenance or your service calls, whatever the case is. Just being able to add that, but adding in those keywords and key phrases. A keyword or key phrase is just simply just something that somebody would type into the search bar engine when they're coming in here to find something. Now, in this case, I chose AC Repair Fort Worth, Texas, which is getting 170 searches every single month. And you can see how much what it would cost to do an ad for that. But you can see exactly how much searches are getting every single month. And by you guys not being on this first page and not being on the top 10, and there's 10 websites on every page, you guys are missing out on a lot of potential clients. So if we come in here and grab that key phrase, you're going to be able to see that there is nothing here on this on your page. It doesn't come up here. So when you guys are writing up that new content, I would just highly suggest to throw that bad boy in there a couple times. Maybe even rename some of these pictures that you have in here, like I said, renaming them so you can see here that they're just named at random. So you can possibly just rename some of those pictures. AC Repair Fort Worth, Texas, and you're going to be able to see yourself rank up in the next coming weeks for this keyword, and you're going to be able to get found by the customers that are really looking for your service. Second thing that I want to get into is citation. With citation, all it is the name of the company, the address, and the phone number. So it's just an informative contact information kind of thing. And that's where it's going to help you get ranked up here for this map area, Google Map Pack or Google My Business area. Getting ranked up here in the top three, just being able to be displayed on that first page. What you want to do is get yourself on as many directories as possible and get yourself on more directories and as many directories as Fort Worth areas so you're able to outdo these guys and be able to outrank them. Now, some of the examples of these directories would be like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yellow Page, White Page, Spark City, Star City. There's a bunch of them out there that you can go out there, that you can go and get your um, citation on there, which is going to get you really going on here. And what you want to do, like I said, is not only just get some of those bigger platforms, but you want to get what your competition has, Fort Worth, North Tarrant, some of these guys, because obviously what's if it's working for them and it's getting them ranked up here, it's going to work for you. And here in a second, I'll show you a tool that I personally use in order to find all this stuff. The third thing that I want to talk about is backlinks. Now, what I want you to think about backlinks is just like a big popularity contest. Google is just a huge popularity contest that just wants to see as many websites linking back to yours, saying you are a trustworthy website. So what you want to do, and not all backlinks and citations are created equal, so you really want to watch the type of links that you're getting. A lot of times people will just go out and go get as many links as possible. It doesn't matter where they come from, and they'll see themselves that they're still not being able to get ranked. And the reason being is the quality and the type of backlink that you're getting and citations that you're being able to get. Google's going to pick up on a lot of things, and it's going to recognize when you're getting a link from a website that's not really relatable to your field of work. So it's not related, it's not something that's related to HVAC or anything like that. So a bad example would be if you guys do a job for maybe you guys do for a restaurant or something, it's gonna see that you guys aren't in the restaurant game, and it's gonna see that you guys don't sell anything like that. So it's not gonna give you the power and the authority that it would have if per se that link was coming from a subcontractor contractor that you guys have maybe worked with in the past. Maybe an adjacent HVAC company in the Dallas area or Fort Worth area, whichever, something like that would really work as far as that. And that's what's really going to separate you guys and really blow your competition out of the water and be able to get yourself ranked up in here in this top 10. Now, the tool that I personally use is called Ahrefs. It is a couple $100 a month, but it's a great tool to show you exactly what's working for your website and what's not. Um, but there are plenty of tools out there that are for free that you can go out and get on Google that will show you your backlink citations and your keywords, and you're going to be able to see your competitors' information as well and be able to grab that information like we were talking about earlier. So in this case, you can see here Fort Worth Air. You can see here Baker Brothers is the first one ranked here. So we can look at yours and we'll look at yours real quick and then we'll look at theirs. So you can see here that you have 20 referring domains, which is just websites going back and referring back to your page, which is bringing 170 backlinks, and you're getting found for 92 keywords, but you're getting a low amount of traffic every single month. There's not a whole lot of people visiting your website. So even though you guys have a really good looking website and a good design in general, nobody's looking at it. So that's what we need to change. And that's going to go back to the type of keywords that you're getting found for. And if we come in here and actually look, you can see here some of these keywords that you're getting found for: total comfort AC. So a lot of them are coming from the title of your company, and what we need to change is targeting the people and the location in which you're serving your customers. So you want to get some of these. So if we actually come in here and look at your competition, Baker Brothers, you can see that they have well over a thousand websites going back to their website, referring back to their website, bringing in over 10,000 backlinks, and they're getting found for over 9,000, getting close to 10,000 keywords on their website. So if you can come in here and actually look, you can see that they have some plumbing and some HVAC, but you can see Fort Worth plumbers. So stuff like that is what you really want to put into yours. AC company is near me, plumbing Dallas, so AC repair. So stuff like that, HVAC Dallas, AC Repair Dallas, so they're Fort Worth AC Repair, so stuff like that. So you can see here that they're ranked number one, and that key phrase is getting 300 visits every single month. So that's the type of keyword that you want to throw in here when you're writing up that new content in order to really get in order to find or get the customers that you're looking for, and for people to start looking at this website. I mean, you guys have a great website. You guys just need to get people to start looking at it. And the same thing's going to go not only for the keywords, but like um, the backlinks and citation as well. You're going to want to go in there, not only just look at Baker Brothers, but also look at some of the other competition that you have on Fort Worth, North Tarrant, and so forth. You want to come in here and look at what they have as far as backlinks and everything like that. Some of them are going to be different. Some are you're going to have to pay for. Others you might have to contact the person that owns the website, or some you might just have to sign up for. It just all depends. But you want to look at your competition, what they have, expertise.com, betterbusinessbureau.com. So all of these are great because obviously if it's working for them, it's going to work for you. Um, And that kind of wraps everything up as far as what I wanted to talk about. A quick little recap site content, like we talked about, 1,500 to 2,000 words. Add that bad boy in there a couple times. So you guys are able to get ranked, citation, backlinks, LinkedIn. All of those are great to have if you're not already on there. Backlinks, you want to go in there and grab what your competition has. If it's working for them, it's going to work for you. That's it for this video. I try to keep it nice and short. I hope this was an informative video for you guys. Um, I just simply just want to say the faster you guys get going on this, the faster that you're gonna get yourself ranked, and you're gonna see yourself continue to rank up higher, and hopefully see yourself on this first page. If you guys want to just simply save yourself the time and the headache, and you guys want somebody to really fix up your content and get you guys up to date with your citations and compete with these guys up in the top so you guys can get more customers every single month, give me a call, 719-924-7601. Look forward to speaking with you guys. Have a good one.